Here's how to install a WiperBlades USA gold beam blade on a J-hook arm. First, prepare the vehicle by placing a piece of cardboard or floor mat under the driver's side wiper to prevent damage to the windshield. Begin with the driver's side wiper. Remove the old wiper. There are two common wiper release types. This one has a release tab underneath. Press it down and then slide the wiper down until it releases from the arm. You may need to use a pen to push the release tab. The other type has a simple latch that can be opened, then slide the blade down. Select the longer blade in the set. This is usually for the driver's side. Remove it from the cardboard sleeve. Then, flip open the locking tab. Insert the hook part of the arm into the opening on the adapter. Slide the blade up until it is snug. Close the locking tab. Press down until it locks closed with a click. Be sure to remove the plastic cover from the blade's edge. Carefully place the wiper down on the windshield and remove the cardboard. After repeating these steps for the passenger side, discard the trash and remember to drive safe.